All right. We out here, guys, headed back to Florida. Yes, sir. Had a good time. And now we're headed back. Benz did outstandingly well. Still doing outstandingly well. Couldn't ask for more. So, it's just time to get it. Next. All right. I'm on the highway. Hey, this normal. I'm going, what, 86, 87? This just normal on ATL highways. Like, this the average speed, you know what I'm saying? Look. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm following people. I'm not, speeding unnecessarily. This just the average speed. 80, 90 mile per hour, shout out. Yes, sir. Next. All right. Hey, y'all, look at that. Look at them woods. Woods of Georgia. Back roads of Georgia. Nothing but woods. Yeah. Mercedes riding like a champ. Couldn't get no better. I'm trying to tell you. Next. All right, another little back shot of the woods. Look at them D roads. Nice and green. I don't think the trip back to Florida gonna be too eventful. I think it's gonna be nice and smooth. So I'm gonna just give you a couple scenery shots. Nice. Look at all that. It's so nice. I got the windows down with the AC off. All right. Beautiful scenery. This is the scenic back roads of Georgia. Look at those clouds. Gotta love it, boy. Y'all, you see it. We back in Florida, y'all. Back in Florida. Yes, sir. What up, y'all? Ain't really too much happened. You know what I'm saying? Coming home. But I think we might have a little drag race right here. You know what I'm saying? That truck might try to overtake me a little bit. But yeah, I had a good time. I know I didn't show the car too much, but you gonna got plenty of time to see that. So, All right, what do we got here, man? We'll see what we got, man. All right, come on, green light, goddamn now. Switch this bit to sport. See what we got. You gonna try to run me? I know you're gonna try to run me. I'm gonna whoop his ass too. Come on, try to run me. Try to run me. Try to run me. Gotcha. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You ain't got nothing on me, bitch. Oh! Ate his ass up! Ate his ass up! Whoa! You ain't got nothing on this Benz, baby. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. That'll end the trip off real good. That'll end the trip off real good. All right, y'all. Next. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we end this trip right where we started it from. My front yard. Oh, yeah. They still looking clean. They still looking clean. Yeah. She has did her job. I mean, fantabulous, boy. It rode real good. I did have to change the coil pack down in Atlanta, but that was easy. It took like 10 minutes. Oh, yeah, baby. So clean. So clean. Yes. I do want to say I love you to all my friends, alumni, and family. Oh, yeah, clean. Oh, yeah, man, look what I did in Atlanta, man. Fucking with Atlanta Road. Y'all see that right there? Look at my road ration coat. Oh, my God. You see that? You know I gotta buff that out. I gotta sand and buff that out ASAP. But yeah, I wanna tell everybody, man, I had a good time. You know, and hey, yeah, you see your boy. Yeah, that's how we get down. You feel me? Yes, sir, all day long. Mercedes S430 W220 auto vlog, Atlanta trip number 3. And man, I had a good time. So yeah, we'll be back at you, man. Another trip, some more upgrades. You know, this, that, and the other. So y'all take it easy, man, and I appreciate y'all. Hey, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, because that's what you gotta do, man. And I'll keep on doing this, for real though. Oh yeah, I'll show you. Hey, by the way. Oh yeah, one more time. That's me right there. Big J does it all. Oh yes, sir. I did upgrade the wood grain. Remember how I would crack this stuff? Remember that? Check out that now. Check out that wood grain. Oh, she purdy, ain't she? Look at that wood grain now. Yeah, I did change that out in the A. Purdy. So yeah, man. We do it like this. And we is out. Next.